르세라핌! 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 Hot official MV is up right now. Is the premiere done? Can I just not do the premiere because it's so loud? Let me just refresh. Let me just like go back and refresh. You know the countdown, it's just so loud. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Bop! What the hell? Damn! Oh! Okay, Slay. What the hell? Yeah? Oh, she gotta do. Oh, she throwing the noodles? Don't be afraid. Oh my God. Imagine just greeting you like that at the doorway. Oh, Miss Ma'am. Also, I don't have captions at the moment, so I don't know what to do. But I'm down to listen. Oh! Oh. Huh? Oh my God. I'm dead. Excuse me, ma'ams? How do Damn, I'm not ready for this. Are these like wedding dresses, low-key? Oh, she's melted. Oh my God, Chaewon. Oh my God. Oh, they're so beautiful. What the Yes, listen. Now help me tight. Oh, this is a like a vibey. Oh my God, that outfit. The glasses. Oh, they are slaying for real. I love a good black and white MV moment. What the hell? Oh, the beat kind of changed up. It was like a pause. Oh, it's getting hot. Oh, we melted? Bro, that's me. They literally holding me. I'm melted. Wait, hold up. That was a killing point. Bro, the next outfit. Oh my God. Sorry, bro. Calm down, Dre. Bro, like, what is happening? That hair is beautiful. Bro, they... Ooh! So smooth with it. Bro, they are hot. They are hot. Holy sh... I'm sorry for... respectfully, I'm staring. What am I... SSERAFIM. My God. Okay, it was a lot more vibey. The beginning part. Toss them noodles. Straight to Chaewon. Leg. She stop playing. Oh, she looks so good. Woo. And then this part, the chorus dance. Oh my God. Sorry. The little like. I can't. Oh, the nails too. I know there's no lyrics or anything right now at the moment, right? Bro, each scene is so hot.
We love you,
like
Drake.
legit. Oh, thanks for following. Appreciate y'all. But look at the The lighting is so beautiful too. Wait, hold up. The black and white. Wait, with the dance part. I want to see the dance part again. Woo! This scene right here, fire. You could just give me this only. Just give me this performance, like video only. Hey, what's up, Lando? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. And then straight to this scene. Oh my god. I gotta stop. Let's end it. Oh my god, SSERAFIM. Coming in hot for real. Put a comments down below what you guys think of SSERAFIM's hot official MV. Go check it out. Link in the description down below. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And my goodness, Eugen. Everybody, all of them. I don't really even have a bias anymore. It's not even 2.5 minutes. I know. Songs are getting so short. But then we want more. So if you do short songs, give us more. The visuals were visualizing. The song is vibey as hell. I can't wait to see them. Hopefully, they're going on tour, right? Hopefully, I get to go. Or somehow see them live. That would be fire. Anyways, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to check out the Patreon for more content. Check out my short form TikTok, Instagram at Just Random every day. Subscribe. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now.